Hello, beautiful people. How are you doing today? You're welcome to the Best Educators Show. Today, we are going to talk about something amazing and something very important, right? Now, to every international students out there that want to go and study, that intend studying abroad, probably you are looking at maybe in the Netherlands or Germany. You're looking at which is better, right? Now, I have some good news for you, right? And I'm going to talk about this in today's video, but it's just briefly, right? So, if you need one-on-one consultation or more information about your decision, you can reach out to us via what the comment section of your DM, right? So welcome everyone. Netherlands versus Germany for international students, which is better, right? So before we get into what our objective, let me usher you properly. Welcome, right? So now let's get into what our objective properly, right? Thinking about studying in Europe, but unsure whether to choose between the Netherlands or Germany. Now, both countries are top choices for international students in 2025. That means top choices, right? For international students in 2025, offering world-class universities, post-study work opportunities, and vibrant cultures. Now, when choosing where to study in Europe, right? That if you want to study in Europe, right? Many students think about Germany and the Netherlands. Both countries have good what universities and offer rich cultural experiences. Now, both Germany and the Netherlands offer excellent what education and experiences for international students. Now, before I continue, who is an international student? An international student are students who leave their country home and go to another country to study, right? For better work opportunities, for more for just for more exposure, right? Now let's continue. Germany free tuition and growing job opportunities makes it a popular choice. So you can see why a lot of people are choosing Germany ahead of Netherlands. Free tuition and growing job opportunities make it what a popular choice. The Netherlands also offer quality education, but has higher tuition fees and is seeing a slow growth in international student numbers, right? So you can see why a lot of people are opting in for what Germany ahead of what Netherlands, right? Germany is offering what free tuition and they have more what job opportunities. If you like content like this, follow, like, and subscribe, right? Thank you and bye bye.